Hello everyone, good morning all. So today we come again with another SQL question which is asked in Snapchat and it is related to sending versus opening snaps. Assume you are given tables with information on Snapchat users including their ages and time spent sending and opening snaps. Write a query to obtain a breakdown of time spent sending versus opening snaps as a percentage of total time spent on these activities group by age group. Round the percentage to two decimal places in the output. Here they have given us some notes. Calculate the following percentages: time spent sending divided by time spent sending plus time spent opening, and then time spent opening divided by time plus sending plus time spent opening. To avoid integer division in percentages, multiply by 100 and zero point 0 not 100. So here they have given us the two different tables, activities and age breakdown. And here we need to calculate the time spent sending percentage and time spent opening percentage with total time spent of sending as well as plus opening. So here we need to use multiplicity guys. In one block we can use the to calculate the total time spent sending, then in another block we can use the total time spent opening, and then in the third block we will use the sending plus opening time spent. So let me write the query. Select star from activities. This is our first city. Here we need to do the uh, aggregation of time spent. We have to use the sum function and then group by user id. So let me start with it. User id sum of time spent as sending time spent. Here we need to do group by user id and we need to use the filter condition to calculate only sending time spent. So here we need to use where lower of activity type equal to send. So this is our first block. Let me execute the query. So this has given us the user ID was total sending time spent. Now we have to use the another city. So let me copy this one. This is for open and it is opening time spent. Now let me use the third city. So let me copy paste this one only. Here we need to use total. So we have to use in open plus means open comma send. So this will be our first city. Let me this city as let me encapsulate entire block into the city. Then this will be our second city. And then this will be our third city. Now final part is pending only. This will be total time spent. Now final part of the query will be remaining. We need to age bucket wise we need sending and opening percentage. If you see the example output, then each bucket is given. So here we need to use, let me first write the city. We are selecting first from city, then we are selecting then from second city. And which is the common column in all the city? Only user ID is common, right? So we have to write the city dot user ID and city 2 dot user ID. Again, we need to copy this one. Here we need to use city3 dot user ID equal to city dot user ID. Now, what we have to do? We need to join this age breakdown table. Inner join age breakdown ag on ag dot user ID equal to city dot user ID, because user ID is given in age breakdown table as well, right? Now what we want? We want age bracket from this one. So let me write ag dot age age bucket. Now what we want? They have given us the formula, right? That how can we spend sending percentage and opening percentage. So here we need to divide send divide by total TSP, and then here we have to use sending, not send. And then what? We need to use opening. So let me write it total TSP. Now this star is not required. Let me try to execute this one. Okay. So it is given us, but now let me give the alias to this both column. What they have given a send percentage as open percentage. Now let me execute again. So now what we want? We want like 65.40, not like this, right? So what we have to do? We have to do multiplication of entire thing with 100, same as below as well. Multiplication of entire thing with 100. Now again let me execute this. So it is given us the proper output, but we want only two decimal places. It is written over here. The round the percentage to two decimal places. So what we have to do? Final thing is, let me do the rounding. Round comma 2. Again let me do the round for second one. Round comma 2. Now let me execute the query. So it is given us the proper output, but now uh, go to this example output, and they have each bucket is in ascending order, right? So the final thing is remaining over here is order by age bucket. Now let me again execute the query. So it is given us the proper output. Now age bracket is in ascending order. Let me submit this answer. Oh great, it is accepted. So this is the perfect use of multiple cities, guys. Multiple city is used in these kind of scenarios where we have multiple query blocks, and we want to encapsulate entire result into a single query from all that multiple blocks. So thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and do like, comment and share my videos. Thank you.